I'm Donald here reporting for the Shoring Report, and I'm here outside ICR Services in Warren. ICR is equipped to provide everything from preventative maintenance to asset management and is one of 60 businesses that we are visiting. We also visited RCO Engineering in Roseville, who design, build, test, and produce components and prototypes in the automotive, aerospace, and defense industry. These businesses and others across the county are letting over 2,300 high school students from 21 districts across Macomb County into their businesses today to hold over 73 tours to help students learn more about manufacturing careers. Why today? Because today is Manufacturing Day. Held annually, Manufacturing Day helps show the reality of modern manufacturing careers by encouraging thousands of companies and schools around the nation to open their doors to students. Let's go inside and check out what ICR and RCO Engineering and other businesses are doing today.
I think students should participate in Manufacturing Day because it gives them an opportunity to see some things that maybe they haven't considered with respect to a career. Students are exposed to the possibilities that exist. And until you get out and see it firsthand, you don't really know. Once people learn more about what's out there, again, the better decision they can make as they are in better understanding of what exists.
I think Manufacturing Day is important for the students that they don't have the option to go to college or don't want to go to college.
I think you should value Manufacturing Day because it's a whole new different experience and you might find something that you might like to do in the future.
It opens their eyes to different things, different opportunities that are out there, different ideas that they may have, whether it's what they want to do when they go to college or what they want to do if they don't want to go to college or however they want to handle their life and their career.
Some people are made for the trades and are more interested in the trades, and I think that for that reason it should be a big part of what education is, not just the college. College is good, but it's also very good to have skills that we have here and grow a career.
What a great opportunity for students of Macomb County to see all the career options available to them inside these manufacturing businesses. And thanks to businesses like RCO Engineering and ICR for inspiring the next generation of manufacturers.